Hi. Are you looking for the best cheap cordless lawn mower? Cordless lawn mowers are becoming ever more popular and there are lots of them on the market. We have done extensive research and taken into account all the consumer reviews available and assessed the feedback. And choose these models based on performance and their budget-friendly price point. So, if you choose from these models, you can be sure that you buy a great product. Number 5.
Cut the grass with MJ401C, the completely cordless counterpart of Sun Joe's best-selling MJ401E electric mower. Perfect for small to medium lawns, the eco-friendly battery-powered mower's durable steel blade cuts a crisp 14-inch wide path with precision in a single pass and features a convenient 3-position manual height control to quickly tailor your turf to just the right height. When you're ready, simply insert the key, press the safety switch, squeeze the trigger, and go. Collect the clippings with a 10.6-gallon bag and detach for quick and easy disposal. Plus, MJ401C is driven by a long-life, peak performance rechargeable 28-volt lithium-ion battery for the ultimate in cordless convenience. And when the workday is done, simply plug back in and power up. Blast past the limits of the extension cord with cordless power and performance. And go with Joe, the MJ401C 28-volt 14-inch cordless lawnmower from Sun Joe. Get equipped.
And these are our editor ratings for this product. Number 4.
The Greenworks 16-inch 40-volt mower has the power and performance to make mowing your lawn easy and more efficient without the fumes, maintenance, and expensive gas. Greenworks combines innovative lithium-ion battery technology with high-efficiency motors to create a 16-inch lawnmower that delivers up to 40 minutes of runtime on a single charge. That's enough power to cut lawns up to 7,000 square feet. There are no cords to pull. The mower starts with a simple push of a button. The Energy Star rated diagnostic smart charger senses when the removable battery is fully charged and ready to use. The battery has 75% faster charge time than traditional lead-acid batteries, and at 70% lighter weight is easier to maneuver. The one-handed single-lever height adjustment makes it easy to choose from 5 cutting height positions. With this 2-in-1 mower, you can choose to bag or mulch the grass clippings. And when you're finished with your lawn, the Easy Fold system is great for storage or compact transportation. The Greenworks 16-inch 40-volt mower includes a lithium-ion battery and charger, grass catcher, and mulching plug. Superior to other battery types, lithium-ion batteries offer maximum performance with up to 3 times longer running times. Consistent full power for the duration of the charge gives you optimum, no-fade performance with the same power from start to finish. The same 40-volt battery used in this Greenworks mower will power the entire family of Greenworks 40-volt tools, giving you the total solution to gas-free yard care. Reliable and tough, all Greenworks lawn tools are backed by an industry-leading 4-year limited warranty. Plus, gas-free is quieter, and all Greenworks products have 0 carbon emissions in the yard. Greenworks, high-powered, more versatile, longer running. With Greenworks, life gets easier.
And these are our editor ratings for this product. Number 3.
Get mowed this season with the Ion 16LM, the completely cordless, battery-operated lawnmower from Sunjoe. Powered by the interchangeable and rechargeable 40-volt EcoSharp battery system, the Ion 16LM delivers up to 40 minutes of whisper-quiet runtime on a single charge, with zero carbon emissions for cleaner air. The Ion 16LM has been engineered with a powerful 600-watt brushless motor for optimal performance, increased battery efficiency, and a longer motor life to keep your Ion mowing strong, season after season. Starting the Ion mower is simple. First, open the battery compartment cover and slide your fully charged battery down until it locks into position. Insert the safety key into the slot and close the battery cover. Press and hold the safety button while pulling back on the bar lever, and the motor starts instantly. Equipped with an ergonomic handle, the Ion mower lets you easily tackle your entire lawn, with more comfort and less fatigue. The Ion mower's compact design features a 16-inch deck with rugged front and rear all-terrain wheels for easy maneuvering in and out of tight spaces. Quickly adjust the cutting height of your grass with the 6-position height adjustment lever, which can handle short and tall grass blades from 1.18 inches up to 3.15 inches. The Ion mower collects grass clippings into a 9.25-gallon grass bag, which comes with a filling level indicator, so you'll know exactly when the bag is full. As you mow, the indicator flap remains open until the bag is completely full. When the flap closes, you'll know it's time to empty the grass bag, which conveniently detaches for easy disposal of your clippings. And when you're done mowing, the handles on the Ion 16LM can be completely collapsed, so you can neatly store your mower without taking up much space in your garage or shed. The Ion 16LM is backed by a full 2-year warranty and is ETL approved. Plus, the EcoSharp battery charger meets Energy Star certification. So ditch the gas, oil, noxious fumes, pull cords, and extension cords, and experience an easier and more convenient way to get your yard work done. Ion from Sunjoe. Cut the cord.
And these are our editor ratings for this product. Number 2.
Stands out for being at the leading edge of innovation. Introducing the BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 Compact Mower, powered by the 20-volt max interchangeable lithium-ion battery system. The 3-in-1, with its revolutionary deck design, quickly and easily converts from a mower to a trimmer, featuring a power drive transmission for getting those trimming and edging jobs done fast. the complete solution for smaller lawns. Black & Decker 3-in-1 Compact Mower.
And these are our editor ratings for this product. Number 1. These are our editor ratings for this product.